The RTK+4-Eye Vision Mower is equipped with a dual positioning system that combines full-band RTK and advanced 3D vision technology to offer precise and reliable lawn maintenance, even in challenging areas. This robotic mower eliminates the need for perimeter wires, allowing users to enjoy a hassle-free setup and start mowing right out of the box without dealing with complicated installations. With its ACC Hands-free Auto Mapping feature, the mower uses a sophisticated AI boundary recognition system and a 4-camera setup to efficiently map lawns and optimize cutting routes. Its intelligent obstacle avoidance system, featuring a 300-degree camera with AI algorithms, can detect over 1,000 common garden objects, ensuring safety and effective navigation. The mower supports multi-zone management, allowing customization for over 20 lawn zones, and includes a smart app for remote control and monitoring, enhancing convenience and flexibility. Intelligent hosting mode allows the mower to autonomously adjust its mowing schedule based on various factors like lawn size and weather conditions, providing a tailored and scientific lawn care experience.